every time that you want to work with Python in Jupyter Lab, you need to do this. You open the terminal, you type Jupyter space lab, you press enter, and you wait for the terminal to open the activity for the Jupyter Lab application. It opens the navigator, and here we can work with Python. Now let me be clear on one thing, because many people confuses this. They believe that if you create a file in Jupyter, you can only see it in Jupyter. But this is not how it works. If I create a folder here called Python course, and I enter here, if I go to the Finder, in my user, I can also see the folder, Python course. Now, if I open a Python file, clicking here, I can also see this file on my computer. The same way works that if I create a new file here, call it hello, I can see this folder in the Jupyter. Sometimes I need to reload here. Okay, so these are two separate entities, the Jupyter Lab and the files that you have on your computer. But you can create files in the Jupyter Lab that can be shown in the Finder, and you can create files in the Finder that can be shown in the Jupyter Lab.